Hey, it's Glenna of Hair by Glenna. Summer is coming. I have a few packages that I believe are going to be here to stay at least for a little while. And so, these packages were put together because they're like, all that's happening in the world. People are watching their spending. And so I'm trying to come up with some creative ways to make it easier for people to keep up with their hair appointments and keep up with their natural hair journey and all of that. And so the first package we have is the Indulgence Package. And so this is a really good package. You get 3 protective style services, and then you get a bonus wash and style service as well. And so when you think about it, that's like 4 separate services. And so each service within that, you're entitled to a haircut, wash, trim, blowout before you get your braids, your twists done, your crochet braids done. So this is pretty amazing, and hair is included, just not human hair. And so the portion where we do the install is not to exceed 6 hours. So this is a really good deal. And so hair is provided. You don't have to worry about going to the hair store. You do not have to worry about prepping your hair. All of that's taken care of. This is for the person who wants to just come in and show up and just have it done, and they leave and they do not have a stress in the world. Their hair is done. They do not have to do too much. Also, if you're super busy, this is a great package for you as well. And so this package comes to $9.97. If you buy it online, at my website, there is a small fee, just like a service fee. If you prefer, you can always send me an e-transfer, which is obviously more direct and saves you a little bit of money on the fee, so you don't have to worry about that. And so if you're not interested in that package for whatever reason, there is another package, and it's just a subset of that package. It's still an Indulgence package, but it's just one service. And so you still get the protective style, of your dreams. And again, the install portion of that appointment is not to exceed 6 hours. You still get the prep, so you get a wash, you get the blowout, you get a trim if you want. Hair is included, just not human hair. And yeah, so it's just one service though, and that will bring you to $325. So yeah, so it's just a spin-off on the last package I just mentioned. And then last but not least, this is for the girlies who maybe you're not interested in extensions right now, and so this is the best value you can get. It's the wash and style package, and you get 6. You get 6 of those, and the cost for that is $540, which is amazing, which sort of brings it to, not sort of, but it brings it to $90 per visit. And with all these packages, you have 12 months to use it. And again, you can buy these packages online at my website, but there is a fee attached if you do it that way. You send an e-transfer, then that's just going to be the cost flat. You don't have to worry about the service fees or anything like that. And so yeah, so summer is coming, and I want to make sure I set you guys up right. And also what these packages does is it kind of takes the stress off of you having to go to the store and buy the extension hair if you're doing the extension packages. And then if you're doing the wash and style packages, you don't have to worry about your hair being in incredible condition, because you have at least 6 of these going, right? And all of these packages, obviously there's value in all of them, and so hopefully you see it too, and you got yourself ready for summer. Thank you. I just wanted to share that with you, and I'll see you in the next video.